Write a short note on a special audit under the Companies Act 2013. A special audit is an audit ordered by the central government when it believes that the affairs of a company are not being conducted properly or that the financial condition of the company requires detailed investigation. The purpose of a special audit is to protect the interests of shareholders, creditors, investors, and the public. The central government may order a special audit when it is of the opinion that unsound management of affairs, the affairs of the company are not being managed according to sound principles of prudent commercial practice, injury to trade or industry. The company is being managed in a manner that is likely to cause serious injury or damage to the interests of trade, industry, or business with which it is connected. Threat to solvency. The financial position of the company is such that its solvency or financial stability in danger. Appointment of a special auditor. The central government may appoint a special auditor to conduct the audit for a specified period. The special auditor may be the existing auditor of the company or any other qualified chartered accountant, whether in practice or not. Powers and duties of a special auditor. The central government may appoint a special auditor to conduct the audit for a specified period. The special auditor may be the existing auditor of the company or any other qualified chartered accountant, whether in practice or not. Powers and duties of a special auditor. The special auditor enjoys powers similar to those of a company auditor under the Companies Act 2013. He has the authority to examine books of account and records, seek information and explanations from company officers, verify financial transactions, investigate matters specified by the central government. Unlike an ordinary auditor, the special auditor submits his report directly to the central government. The report must also contain comments on any specific matter referred to him by the government. Action on a special audit report. After receiving the special audit report, the central government may take action under the provisions of the Companies Act 2013 or proceed under any other applicable law. If no action is taken within the prescribed period, the government may send the report or relevant extracts of it to the company for circulation among members or for consideration at the next general meeting. Importance of a special audit. A special audit helps detect financial irregularities and mismanagement, protect shareholders and creditors, improve transparency and accountability, prevent corporate fraud and misuse of company funds, safeguard the financial health of the company. Conclusion. Thus, a special audit is an extraordinary audit ordered by the central government when there are concerns regarding the management, financial condition, or business practices of a company. It serves as an important mechanism for ensuring corporate accountability, transparency, and protection of stakeholders' interests.